good structure to your soil or potting mix is very important for healthy growth of plants, and for that reason we are going to use perlite in our soil. The quantity of perlite you would need depends upon what kind of plant you're growing in that soil. For example, for succulents, they don't require a lot of water, they don't like standing in water. Therefore, we are going to mix equal amounts of perlite and soil. Whenever you're transferring the mix, the soil potting mix into the pot, first remember to block the drainage hole. You can use gravel, broken terracotta, or just take an inch layer of soil, press it against the hole. This will block the seepage of soil. Whenever you add water, it will only allow the water to move out. In case you're preparing soil mix for veggies or indoor plants, 2 handfuls of perlite with soil for 7 to 8 inch pot will do the job. In case you have a large plant where repotting is not possible immediately, in that case what you could do is loosen the topsoil and mix 2 handfuls of perlite. This is very important to do when you see the top layer of soil is very compact. This will help in better drainage. During this process, if you happen to hurt few superficial roots, it's completely okay. Perlite does not add any nutritional value to your soil. It only encourages healthy root growth. You will have to add some form of compost or fertilizer for better growth of plants. Perlite is a naturally occurring mineral that comes out of volcanic eruptions. It is then processed and crushed for industrial, gardening and hydroponic purposes. Chemically speaking, its structure is very similar to that of glass. Whenever we water our plants, it should immediately absorb that water and let the extra come out from the bottom. As home gardeners, water coming out of the planter acts as a stop sign for us. This is a sign that you need to stop watering your plant. But sometimes after several watering sessions, you may notice that the soil has started to hold water. You would see that the water is sitting on the top. It is a sign of compactness. Now, it has 2 potential risks for your plants. First, they will remain standing in water, meaning your plant will be standing with wet feet, which can start root rot and slowly kill your plant. Secondly, it will not allow the roots to breathe. Perlite makes our soil well draining and helps our plants to develop a healthy root system. Additionally, it helps in maintaining air pockets inside the soil. In fact, when the soil has perlite in it, for longer time it will not become compact. See, plants not only breathe from above the soil but also under the soil. Perlite will help in making that process easier. They will help maintain air pockets for aeration. When your plant is not doing fine under the ground, you will see that it is more susceptible and more vulnerable to diseases, and also the leaves will start drooping. Not paying attention to your plants will eventually kill them. Perlite will help you to maintain those air cavities for better growth. A good soil structure is essential for sustainable development of our plants and smiles on our faces. Thank you so much for watching. Do remember to check out our other videos as well and do follow us here. Take care.